Hi to all the people who happen to see my video. Today, I'm going to show you a signal by which you can get 10–12% profit from each trade. In this scheme, we will use the exchanges Binance and Bucks. And believe me, the scheme really works. Let's register. I will register right in the video so that it will be clear to you. On this exchange, without KYC verification, you can trade up to $200,000 per month. As you can see, the Ethereum rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow you to earn money already at the first stage. First, I buy Ethereum on Binance. Since I am 100% sure of this exchange, I will start with the amount $5,000, but you can top up with any amount. After this, we need to top up our Ethereum balance on Bucks. To do this, go to the wallet and click on the deposit. Here, select Ethereum in the list and click Show Address. Now you copy this address and go to Binance. Paste this address here, enter the entire amount, and click on Withdraw. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all that remains for us is to profitably sell our Ethereum on spot trading. Select Ethereum and scroll down. Here, we need to select our entire amount of Ethereum. Finally, click on Sell Ethereum. From this transaction, we received over $5,000. Now we need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to the Withdraw section. Select Tether USDT on the TRC20 network. Now go back to Binance and copy this address. Paste this address here and enter the full amount. Finally, click on Withdraw and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. As you can see, in just one round, we made almost $500. I will continue to run this scheme, and I advise you to do the same. Now, I will make a round with $50,000. We follow the same methodology. In this way, I have made $5,000 while I was showing you this video.